Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 20 minutes plus rest time 30 minutes start to finish. Crêpes Marzipan Strawberry Preserve, all homemade. Ingredients: 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 50 grams of butter, 80 centiliters of milk, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda, great for better digestion, 2 spoons of sugar, a splash of vanilla extract. Preparation: mix flour, sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda, a splash of vanilla extract. Warm the butter and 80 cl of milk to tepid temperature. Mix with the flour, then add 2 whole eggs, mix again, let this mixture rest for 30 minutes. In a buttered pan on low heat, pour a ladle of the batter, let it slowly cook, flip the crêpe to each sides. Add finely cut marzipan slices and strawberry preserve. It is now ready to eat. You can freeze the unused crêpes for later usage. Here is the link for the crêpes: https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=adv25pqrowm. The marzipan: https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=bb04knxu57m. The strawberry preserve video will be presented at a later time. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.